What's this doing in my driveway? What are these doing? Sitting outside the barn. Take a look at this. The 94 International 9400. Got 685,000 miles on it. Got the older style flat dash. Got a Spicer 10-speed. Spicer differentials. Now full set of tires. It's got the cab and the sleeper are separate. The cab's air ride, the sleeper's not. It's just sitting on the mount there in the back. Got a new muffler on it. Put a new driver's seat in it. This one was a little messed up. And there's something else I found. Flashlight out here. See a light color above the headlights. A little bit of fiberglass repair. At some point in time, this light's been knocked out of the fender. And I would guess that it didn't cost $8,000 to fix. If you watch Trucker Josh, you know what I'm talking about. I think they replaced the bumper too, because there's some holes here that don't have bolts in them and it's not supported. I think we'll take care of that. Yep, it's a former Styline truck. It's based out of Huntingburg. I think that's what was on the mud flaps, their diesel service. Huntingburg, Indiana. His previous owner was a farmer. He owned it since 2000 and only put 40,000 miles on it in all that time. We weren't looking for a truck with side fairings, but that's what we got. Talk about finding a needle in a haystack. His truck is in really good shape. After looking and finding Lots of junk. This thing's a real find. Yeah, that's gonna make harvest go pretty fast. The only limitation is gonna be how quick this machine will cut the crop, because we can haul quite a bit at a time now. Now technically we don't farm enough to justify having a semi, but Dad's decided he wants to pull a hopper commercially, so that's what this is. He's had a CDL for a long time. He just hasn't been driving a truck for the last 10 years or so. Replace the front axle shocks, drive axle. These have been replaced. Yeah, air ride, drive axles. And it's on steel wheels. You can really see that. It's just got these dress-up covers. The covers make everything look nice. Look inside. You see. Let's see. 685. Dicer 10 speed. Find the light. It's got a fluorescent light in the ceiling. Sleeper's not much. There's an exit door, but there is some space between the sleeper and the back of the seat. Well, you got this cover over where the air ride cab separated from the mounted sleeper box. CB mounted. There's some controls up there too. Better shut this light off. I just had a couple of cab lights on the top that didn't work right. Well, it didn't work at all. Got a couple of them sitting here. Yeah, he just odds and ends of little things. Dash screws and mirrors pointed the wrong way. Yeah, it is an old Eagle series. Yeah, it ought to be a moneymaker. Especially this fall, when the elevators fill up. There ought to be plenty to haul. Yeah, it'll give us years of good service. Yep. Merritt 42-foot hopper trailer. with a brand new tarp that the seller put on. The paint, well, if you can call that paint, it's more like a truck bed liner. Still on the landing gear, though it's rusting a little bit, bubbling a little bit. But there's not very many places that would collect dirt. We'd collect some up in here above the kingpin. We'll have to keep that cleaned out. Really, the only thing wrong with it is it's missing a couple of rivets. Not really sure what happened there, but we'll get some bolts put in it. Got a pressure gauge, dump valve. Tires really aren't bad. Still some life in those. It's on aluminum wheels, well, aluminum outsides, I see. Yeah, steel insides. Yep, that's the trailer.